In this video, I am going to discuss about resistors in series combination. So see, this is the symbol for resistor. When we are taking a single resistor, what will happen? The current through the resistance across the potential difference V, it is given by the Ohm's law formula. Ohm's law, that is I equals to V by R. From this R equals to V by I. So when the current through the resistor, single resistor, we can use the Ohm's law I equals to V by R. But in sometimes what will happen, two or more than number of resistors will be connected together. In the two types of are there, one is the series and second one is the parallel. So when we call the series, so one resistor, one end of the resistor is connected to the one end of the other resistor. So see, this is the resistor R1 and this is the resistor R2. One end of the R1 is connected to one end of the R2. So actually it is having the two ends. So only one of the end is connected to the one of the end of the second resistor. This combination is called the series combination. Here what will happen? The charge which is leaves the R1, same charge enter into the R2. So here I tell the charge. Already you know that flow of charge is nothing but current. So we want to measure the current, the rate of flow of charge. In previous video it is explained. So how much of charge is leaving the R1? Same charge will be enter into the R2. So the current in the two resistors is same. So this is the very important. In series combination, current is same. Same current will be flows. That is the one. And the second important point, for the current flowing, it is having the only one path. So it is having the only one path of current to flow. This is the second important point. Now what we have to do, this is the R1 and this is the R2. For this combination, what is the equivalent resistance? Equivalent resistance we have to find it. So see, the potential difference across R1. So first we can take potential difference across the R1, we can write, that is V1 equals to I R1. So why here I write V1 and R1? So potential difference is different in series combination, but current is same. That's why I write I. And same potential difference across R2 equals to V2 equals to I R2. Now okay, here potential difference we wrote. Here we wrote the potential difference. What is the potential difference across the combination? So potential difference across the combination is V. From the Ohm's law, what is the formula for V? V equals to I R. So this is the total. This is for resistor R1. This is for resistor R2. But this is for the combination. When we are taking the combination, we are writing that R is equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance. Okay, right. So total combination of potential difference is V is nothing but V1 plus V2. Because of sum of these two, total it will come. So V equals to V1 plus V2. So already we wrote what is the V formula here? I R equivalent. I R equivalent equals to what is the V1 here we wrote? I R1. I R1 plus what is the V2 here? IR2. IR2. So this side I taken the I as common. So here I write IR equivalent equals to, I taken the I as common. So R1 plus R2. So this side R will be, sorry, I will be cancelled. Then R equivalent equals to R1 plus R2. This is the equivalent resistors in two resistors or in series combination. Suppose they given the three resistors in combination. Then simply we can write R equivalent equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Suppose n number of resistance they are adding, n number of, then R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus so on Rn. This is about the series combination. I'll explain the one sum related to series combination. See this circuit diagram. So here two resistors R1 and R2 are there and source of EMF is there. Source of EMF, that is nothing but battery. Okay, so this is the series connection. So see, this is the resistor R1. One end of the R1 is connected to the one end of the R2. So now these two are in series. Now I want to find that equivalent resistance. So this is also we can draw like equivalent resistance, like this also we can draw that. So this is the R equivalent. So you know the formula, R equivalent equals to R1 plus R2. How much they given R1? 6 ohms they given. What is the R2? 2 ohms. So here we can write R equivalent equals to 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8. So R equivalent, how much here? 8 ohms. So this is very important, very easy sum, right? In series means how many resistors they will give. Simply we can add all the resistors. But here I will ask one question. Suppose here they given the EMF the 16 volt. I want to find the current. So which formula we have to use? Ohm's law. So Ohm's law formula, I equals to V by R. So V how much here? 16. So substitute here 16. And resistance how much we got here? 8. So 16 by 8, 2. So how much current here? 2. What is the SI unit of current? Ampere. So in this circuit, simply we can find the equivalent resistance, and after that it is substitute in the formula of I. We are getting the how much of current is flows in the circuit. How much of current is flows in the circuit? 2 ampere. Thank you.